Welcome. Film is a TLC 20SE, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, you will obviously want to open up your settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset, and then choose Erase or Factory Data Reset. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card, so if there is anything that you'd like to keep, back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done this or you just don't want to, click on Reset Phone and reset phone once more, and the process will now begin. Now this will take probably a couple minutes, and once it's finished we'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.